What's going on, guys? Kevin here with Texas Veteran Power Outdoors. Okay, so we are going to do a 30-day challenge, and it's something that I think is kind of cool. And here's what we're going to be doing. So at the local dealer that I use for a lot of my 2-cycle stuff, not where I buy my mowers, he says that their most economical line that all the landscapers use is this green stuff. Okay, in this area. All right, this is a copolymer. Okay, and then their most expensive line that they have is here, the CF3 Pro, which is a triple polymer. Okay, so this big spool here with tax is $27.95. Now this is a previous spool that I bought last month. I should have plenty to do my test next month. If not, I'll buy another one. But anyways, a big spool of this is $54.55 with tax. So you guys can, now here has 856 feet. This has 695 feet. Now there's a difference there, quite a bit of difference there in linear feet on the spool. But of course, so is the price. This is it's almost double. In fact, it's a little more, about double, yeah. So double the price and about 150 feet less or so. But here's what my challenge is here. Okay, what I'm going to be doing. Get out of the sun here. What I'm going to be doing is, starting today on the 1st, I'm going to run this line for 30 days, this entire month, and I'm going to see how long it lasts. Okay, so we're starting with 856 feet. Okay, at the end of the month, we're going to unroll the rest of this spool and what's left in the trimmer head and measure that linear feet and then subtract it from 856. So we'll know how much we used in a month. Okay, and as far as how much we pay per linear feet, you can calculate that by the price and divide it by 856. We're going to do that same thing next month, June 1st, with this line. Okay, so man, this sun is crazy. Hold on. Oh shit. Okay, so we're gonna do that as an experiment, because they say that that other line, break my glasses here, the economical line is not as tough, so you may have to re-spool it a little bit more often. Is that a big deal to you? Maybe not. It's less than $30. So, and you're getting 856 linear feet, so that may last you a month or longer, depending what type of work you do. If you're cutting mainly just grass and you're not doing a lot of stuff around, bricks and concrete and stuff, it's going to last longer. With the CF3 Pro, it's a lot more abrasive resistance, so you can go around bricks and concrete and patios and edges and things like that. It's going to hold up better, so you won't have to switch your line, or you won't have to add more line as often. But the other side of that is a little bit more expensive. So this whole 30 days, all of May, we're going to be testing that line out, and we're going to give it a shot, and we're going to be paying attention to other things: the cut quality, how well it cuts, how fast it cuts. Can it cut at a low RPM, or does it have to be a high RPM to cut grass? There's times where I'm in areas where I need to be able to cut grass at a low RPM because of other things that are around, or maybe I'm going over rocks or something, or little bitty granite pebbles, and I don't want to sling them out, or going around flower pots, whatever the case may be. I like lines that are sharp to where I can use them at low RPM range, because I know it's going to cut at high RPM. But the thing is about stuff, about like that line, it's just line. There's no other, indentions or engravings on the inside of the line as you find on other products or other lines that help with cut. So a lot of times with that, it's going to push a lot of wind, and it's going to push grass down before it has a chance to get that line to it to cut it. Versus something that's disturbing less wind as it goes through the air, will be able to reach that blade of grass before it moves and get it cut. So that's where aerodynamics comes in technology for different lines. So plus I like it's green because you can't see it in the grass, but I don't really care about colors. Customers don't say, hey, don't use the orange stuff because I find it in my yard sometimes. I've yet to have anybody say that, so it doesn't really apply here. Anyway, so we're going to get on with this challenge, guys. At the end of the 30 days, we'll measure out, and we'll go from there, and then we'll start June 1st with the other one. We'll do another video on June 1st about starting that one. And then we'll do the video at the end of this month about that one. And then we'll do the next video starting next month for the next one. And then the end of June, we'll do the video for the CF3 Pro. So it's going to be a cool challenge. And you'll see this line throughout this month in some of the videos. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm Kevin with Texas Vet and Power Outdoors. See you next time.